In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use AirPods on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Even though you can use AirPods on your PlayStation 5 fully wirelessly, sadly, you will need to use an adapter. As of today, the PlayStation 5 does not support Bluetooth audio devices, and because the AirPods connect over a Bluetooth wireless network, sadly, you won't be able to get them to work without the adapter. So, to grab this adapter, go to places like Amazon or any other online or physical retailer and look for a Bluetooth adapter. Make sure that it is compatible with the PlayStation 5. Most of them will be connected over USB-C and they will have a physical button that you can use. As you can see, this one from Ugreen, which is often regarded as having high quality adapters, is compatible with AirPods and it is going to work with your PlayStation 5. So all that you have to do is plug them into any of the available USB ports. You can also find USB-A adapters if you wish, but I'm showing the USB-C because I assume it will work for most people. Once this is done, put your AirPods into pairing mode by pressing and holding the button on the case while they are inside, or usually by simply opening up the lid. Pairing mode should be enabled. Once pairing mode has been enabled for your AirPods, put them in close proximity of the adapter and press the physical button on it. This will automatically pair the AirPods to the adapter, and consequently, because the adapter is currently connected to the PlayStation 5, all of the audio from the PlayStation 5 will go over to the AirPods. It is simple to do, and all that you need is this particular adapter. You can find it from other brands as well, so if you want to purchase a cheaper option, but Ugreen is always my go-to and personal recommendation if you are looking for a high-quality adapter. I hope I was able to help you on how to use AirPods on your PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.